Greetings one and all. It's been a minute. I hope everyone out there is doing well. Just wanted to shoot a quick little update here. Good news, found a job. I started last Tuesday. What was Tuesday? Sorry. Another one of those. Man, it doesn't look. Oh, the 18th. So I've got exactly 4 days on a new job. It's actually going really well. Really easy. It's a job I can do. It's at a good speed. Honestly, I was asking the other driver, I'm like, shouldn't we be doing more work and like doing more things? And they said, no, just a lot of downtime. It's like, okay. For example, just last Thursday, we had only one appointment for the entire day between two drivers, and the other one went home early, and then I just took the cars down to the car wash, washed them, put gas in one of them, and that was all I did all day, and I still got paid for it. And then I was talking to the manager. She's like, "Yeah, sorry, there's not more to do." And I'm like, as long as I'm doing a good job, I'll sit and just do nothing all day, except sit there and hit Facebook on my phone. So good pay, better than the last job, great benefits. I think I was looking at the list for like insurance. I think out of pocket I'm gonna pay like $6 a month for like insurance. So I might kick it up a little bit, but we'll see. Cause I'm really behind on a lot of bills, because I was telling my buddy Joe on Facebook, cause I didn't work for 360 days, so almost a year. So I'm glad I found this job. I'm glad I didn't, now I'm glad I didn't take like a lesser job that paid less money, because I probably would have stopped job hunting. But yeah, so good job, good benefits. They don't ask me a lot of me, and they just ask me to like the one drive. I'm a driver. I drove to Seattle. I picked somebody up and I drove them back to the workplace where they had an appointment, and that was all I did. And when they were done, I just drove them home. Super easy. So, and apparently they don't mind me sitting around doing nothing. So, I mean, they have like, I read through the entire employee manual. I did all my training already. All of it's completed already. Yeah, I've done everything that they required. I still gotta get signed up for benefits, but those will kick in on the 1st, because they do it the 1st of the month. Every month is when you start getting benefits. I don't have to wait 90 days. And then it's like the dental and vision, or they pay for that. They pay that, and they also pay a lot of the insurance, medical insurance, which is really nice. And then every year they put money towards a 401k for me, which I really don't have any retirement, so I'm gonna have to pull a Wolverine and just keep working until I'm 90. If I live that long, knock on wood, I'll have to work probably till the bitter end. But as far as YouTube, no update on the computer, because I haven't had any money to fix it. I was thinking today, I think I really only need is maybe a new tower with like more fans in it to get more airflow through, or go the cheaper route and just put more fans in the current tower, which I think I've got the plugins for. I'll have to check. And then I need a motherboard, and I need to know if I can transfer my current RAM to the motherboard I get, or I'll have to buy 4 sticks of RAM. But I can reuse power supply, I can reuse the video card, and hopefully I can get back into making videos again, which would be really nice, because I miss you guys, and I miss uploading videos, and I miss the interactions, and I miss commenting back and forth. I miss all that. Miss the Cast Iron Wednesdays. So, but like I said, I gotta catch up on a lot of bills. I need an emergency fund again, which I'll have to build up somehow, slowly, and just get everything caught up, paid back, paid off, start saving again. Because if I had savings before, but when I lost my job back in February, of last year, I used up all my savings to pay the bills, so it just ate up all my savings, which I was working on. So, but other than that, you know, I'm walking better. I don't use a cane. I stopped using a walker quite a long time ago. I don't use my cane anymore. I had my prosthesis. Because I notice when I walk around the house with barefoot, which is how I prefer to do it, I noticed I was a lot more level, but when I put a shoe on, I was like always walking at like a tilt. So she replaced this portion of the leg and lengthened it for me. So, and she said that I need a new socket as well, because my leg actually shrank from the last visit, or when I first fit it. And put my leg back on. And but what I did is when I started this job, I said, well, I'm gonna work on like eating better, less crap, less junk. You know, like I took carrot sticks to work, and like cherry tomatoes. I've just been munching on those. A few crackers, I know, but I'm gonna switch it with protein. Once I start getting checks in, I can go to Costco and get like meat, and you know, start working on like meal planning and meal prepping, and you know, just bring something light, fresh, low carb. Cause I put weight on sitting around the house well, I should say I put more weight on sitting around the house for several months doing nothing. So I got to work on cutting the crap out. Activity's been a little bit more like, I mean, if I wouldn't be able to walk like a long distance. Like when I go to the grocery store, I still use those mobile carts to get around, because, well, I can walk it, but by the time I get halfway across the store just to grab one item, I'm kind of already spent. So, you know, months in a wheelchair plus months sitting around the house, job hunting, and lack of activity really, it killed my stamina. So I gotta start working on that. So I figured the job would help too, because I have to, you know, have to walk out to the van and back, and you know, the whole facility's on the side of a hill, so everything is hilly, and then there's stairs inside the building. I can go up and down, so I can get like a little activity that way, more activity that way. So it's only 4 days in. Yeah, so hopefully things will get back on track. Just want to give you a quick little update. What else is there? New job, activity. I think that's it. So yeah, I think that's it. So I hope you guys are doing well. My apologies for the lack of videos, but you know, sometimes life just throws you big curveballs, so not much I can do about it. Except I will say, you know, despite my current situation, I will just say take care of yourself and take care of your health, because you know, it sucks not having my natural foot. You know, honestly, the hardest part about my job is just getting in and out of the car, because I can't articulate my ankle, because my prosthetic is fixed. At least the foot is. The foot has a little bit of like spring, but the ankle doesn't twist. So I'm having to like drag it into the car. It's like, oh, come on, you know, and my weight doesn't help. So hopefully I'll be eating better, and I'll try to stick to it. And I don't dislike carrot sticks. I mean, they're not a burger, but maybe on the weekends I'll be a little bit more, you know, I'll have a hamburger or I'll have a cheeseburger, and then, you know, maybe not eat the donuts, because man, I love me some donuts. All right, I better go before I start rambling. Have a good one. I'll see you next time. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you want to know about the prosthetic leg, I mean, maybe I'll do a video. If there's some interest, I'll talk about it. Maybe a little bit more detail on what I kind of go through. So now it's back to work. Get back to regular paychecks. Work on getting the computer going again. So fingers crossed that things are picking up. I did buy a lottery ticket today, so knock on wood I win. That'll catch me up. All right, see ya.